guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect white rice. Before we get started, go ahead and press the like button and the subscribing button. Okay, to begin, you're going to need some green onion, just a tip is fine. You're also going to need some oil. My choice of oil today is the avocado oil, and some salt to season our rice with. You're also going to need some rice. I'm choosing to go with the jasmine rice, my favorite rice to cook with. And you're also going to need a pot to cook it in. For utensils, you're going to need a spoon and saran wrap. Let's get started. Okay, so we want our pot to get hot, and once it's hot, go ahead and add your oil in, and then add your green onion in, and let that saute just a little bit so it could get brown. And once it get brown, we're gonna go ahead and add our water. I'm cooking 4 cups of rice, so I'm going to add 5 cups of water. Okay, so go ahead and add your water into your pot. And once you add your water in, grab your salt so we can season our water. We're just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of salt, not too much. This is fine right there. And once our water comes to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and add our rice in. So this is 4 cups of rice right here in my bowl that I'm adding to my pot. Now that the rice is in, we're just gonna grab our spoon and stir it just to make sure that the rice is not sticking together. You wanna go ahead and stir it thoroughly just to make sure that all the rice are separated. And this is what it should look like once you let it simmer. Okay, guys, so this is the rice cooking. I wanted to show you the process of it being cooked. Okay, so now that the water is completely drained out, we're gonna go ahead and get our saran wrap ready so we could steam it. That's how you get the rice to be nice and fluffy and not sticky. So what I'm doing here is just taking my saran wrap and putting it on top of my pot so I can steam it. Okay, so once you get your saran wrap on top of your pot, go ahead and grab your cover and cover it up. Okay, and that's all you do. Is so easy. And about 5 minutes later, it's ready to go. Now when you get ready to take the saran wrap, be very careful because you don't want that heat to burn your fingers. So when you uncovering it, be sure to have your fingers as far away as possible so the heat won't get to your fingers because it will hurt. And there you have it, guys. We have some nice fluffy rice. It's not sticky. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It was very easy to make, so I hope you guys like it and try it out. And that will be it, guys. This is how you make the perfect white rice. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.